of the polling stations.
Meghalaya government, in its efforts to revive the declining population of the local fish species, has sent proposals to the Centre for the creation of 8 new fish sanctuaries. Minister in charge of Fisheries A.L. Hek said these will be done in revenue models in various rivers across the state. Stating that 80% of the fish comes from outside the state, the Minister in charge of Fisheries further assured to put all efforts to see that the state will be self-sufficient in fish production. He further stated that fish sanctuaries will help in attracting tourism as the government plans to have ecotourism come fish sanctuary.
Revenue is not coming to the government. It's a BOT, bill, operate and transfer. The government will see the operation for the trial round for operation and transfer the management to the local authority. So whatever revenue will earn from there, it will go to the local authority, understanding with the fishery department.